Hello everyone, I'm excited to give you an in-depth look at the first ever 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. This vehicle is the ultimate family SUV. Everyone has their space and everything has its place. The 2024 Grand Highlander is ready for a weekend, packed full of adventure, family, and cargo. Because every family is different, we've offered a wide range of powertrains and features across the lineup to cater to each family's unique needs. Grand Highlander will offer a choice of 3 powertrains and 3 available grades: XLE, Limited, and Platinum. Across all of these options, every model shares 4 key ingredients in common that make Grand Highlander the ultimate family SUV. Every Grand Highlander offers a combination of spacious comfort and versatility, strong performance with efficiency, and advanced technology at your fingertips, all with a distinctive and sophisticated style to match. Now, let's take a closer look at it all, starting with space and versatility. Built with an adult-sized third row and road trip versatility in mind, the 2024 Grand Highlander has plenty to offer. The spacious and functional multi-purpose interior creates an open, inviting feeling. There's impressive third-row roominess across the board, and that third row also has a reclining feature to make sure everyone's comfortable. You don't have to choose between people or cargo. You can take both. On all grades, the second and third row seats fold down, offering incredible room to pack in whatever the task or trip at hand requires. Final specs will be shared closer to launch, but we're looking at an estimated 98 cubic feet of available space. Even with all the seats up, you'll still have impressive space behind the third row. And thanks to the third row seats offering a 60-40 split, all of that space conveniently flexes to accommodate a balance of cargo and family hauling for any adventure. Grand Highlander is ready for easy loading and unloading too. Every grade comes equipped with a standard power rear liftgate, and a hands-free kick-style power liftgate is available. Generous space for cargo isn't the only example of Grand Highlander's spaciousness and versatility. Our engineers have added a bunch of thoughtful touches I'm excited to show you. Passengers in all 3 rows will find many thoughtful storage areas throughout the cabin for everyone's bags, drinks, and devices. You'll find 13 cup and bottle holders in total, and the center console can comfortably fit a nearly 13-inch tablet. Also, check out the multi-purpose tray with a dedicated tablet storage area found on each side of the third row, and the easily accessible charging ports. Those charging ports are integrated into a third row entry handle, which makes hopping in simpler than ever. A palm rest next to the storage areas provides extra stability when exiting. There's also a flat step at the second row floor, so getting into and out of the third row is a seamless experience. And with its 7 standard USB ports and available 1500-watt power outlets, Grand Highlander is loaded with features that deliver the comforts and convenience of home. Passengers will also have the ability to adjust how comfort feels to them, thanks to a standard 3-zone automatic climate control system, available heated and ventilated front and second row seats on Platinum grades, and a heated steering wheel on Limited and Platinum. The Grand Highlander's versatility extends beyond the interior space and design to the available powertrain options. 3 distinct powertrains are offered: gas, offering a balanced blend of performance and value; hybrid, focused on ultimate efficiency; and hybrid max, for customers who seek ultimate performance that is balanced with efficiency. Let's look at some standout highlights for each powertrain. Gas models feature a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. These models are rated for up to 5,000 pounds of towing capacity and are available in both front and all-wheel drive. Traditional hybrid models utilize a 2.5-liter hybrid power plant paired with an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission. The result? Up to a manufacturer-estimated 34 combined miles per gallon. The Grand Highlander Hybrid is also offered in both front and all-wheel drive. Then there's the exciting Hybrid Max powertrain that focuses on maximum performance, which makes it unique in a few key ways. Exclusively offered in Limited and Platinum grades, this powertrain is uniquely equipped with a full-time electronic all-wheel drive system as standard. As a performance hybrid, the system produces a whopping 362 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Hybrid Max models have a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. Beyond the specs and numbers, there are some other important Grand Highlander performance features worth pointing out. Several Grand Highlander models feature selectable drive modes to customize Grand Highlander's driving characteristics. And there's also an available multi-terrain select system. Exclusively on limited and platinum Hybrid Max models, there are a few additional performance-oriented design touches, such as available paddle shifters, a unique premium shift-by-wire gear selector, and a great-looking dual exhaust. Regardless of a customer's performance needs and lifestyle, there's a Grand Highlander powertrain for everyone. The Grand Highlander is equipped with advanced technology that brings comfort to every seat. The 12.3-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen display is standard across all grades. The system is compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected. And speaking of smartphones, Grand Highlander comes standard with Qi wireless charging capability. Grand Highlander is also compatible with trials on select grades to Toyota's available connected services, including Remote Connect, Safety Connect, Service Connect, an enhanced Wi-Fi Connect with integrated streaming capability, and Drive Connect, which offers cloud navigation, destination assist, and intelligent assistant functionality. A digital key function, part of an active Remote Connect trial or subscription, provides Toyota app users with the same functionality of a key fob, all in their compatible smartphone. Audiophiles will certainly appreciate Grand Highlander's available JBL premium audio system with 11 speakers, including a subwoofer too. With Grand Highlander's emphasis on technology, it should come as no surprise that a range of advanced safety and driver assistance features come standard. To that end, the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite offers great peace of mind and confidence through features like a pre-collision system, lane departure alert, automatic high beam, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 also comes standard with proactive driving assist. When certain operating conditions are met, this feature uses the vehicle's camera and radar to provide gentle braking into curbs, or gentle braking and/or steering to help support driving tasks such as distance control between a preceding vehicle, pedestrian, or bicycle. There's also a standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, as well as available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and an available panoramic view monitor. You'll find even more great technology for convenience on Platinum, which offers Toyota's newly available traffic jam assist technology with a Drive Connect subscription. When driving on a highway with dynamic radar cruise control and lane tracing assist activated, the available traffic jam assist, or TJA, helps navigate stop-and-go highway traffic and includes full stop-and-go, lane change assist, and front cross traffic alert. This system helps take some of the stress out of the low-speed stop-and-go in a traffic jam by providing acceleration, braking, and hands-free steering control under active supervision of the driver. The Grand Highlander's comprehensive technology for both safety and convenience mean it's ready for whatever the journey ahead may bring. The Grand Highlander provides sophisticated styling both inside and out. Let's start with the interior. The cabin is not only spacious, but modern, with stylish appointments and accents on every grade. For Hybrid Max models, performance meets style. Ultra suede and leather trimmed seats with bronze-colored accents are complemented by black and bronze-colored trim accents. And there's a view from every seat thanks to the large third-row windows and available panoramic glass roof with front power tilt and slide moonroof. The Grand Highlander's distinctive modern exterior design perfectly matches the interior. Its adventurous spirit and sophisticated attitude are brought to life by the chiseled character lines, athletic stance with flared fenders, detailed broad trapezoidal grille, and embossed Grand Highlander logo. Notice how the roof rails are seamlessly integrated into the roofline and complement the overall flow of the vehicle. The LED fog lamps, available on Limited and Platinum, add a distinctive touch when cutting through an early morning marine layer or fog, while these stylized LED tail lamps give the Grand Highlander a road presence all its own. Limited and Platinum owners will also enjoy interior ambient lighting to create the right vibe for the moment. Exclusive to Hybrid Max models, Grand Highlander is further distinguished by the chin spoiler and dual exhaust accents that really set it apart. No design discussion would be complete without a look at the stylish wheel options for Grand Highlander. The XLE grade comes with 18-inch alloy wheels. Limited and Platinum grades bump up to 20-inch multi-spoke wheels on the gas and hybrid models, with 20-inch silver wheels with unique black accents available exclusively on the Hybrid Max models. By now, you can see how the first ever Grand Highlander offers the ultimate in versatility and spaciousness. It seats up to 8 in full comfort, thanks to all of its convenience features that put both the driver and passengers in command of their experience across every single model. With a versatile third-row design, available gas, hybrid, and Hybrid Max powertrains, advanced technology features, and style to match, the Grand Highlander is the ultimate family SUV, ready for all of life's adventures near and far. We look forward to experiencing one for yourself this summer.